In this video, I'm here to show you how to copy and transfer your Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. So you can do this on mobile as well as on PC. You're going to follow the same steps as I'm going to show you on PC. All you need to do is have access to Spotify to copy your playlist URL and a browser. This is made possible by Tune My Music. I'll be leaving the link in the description. So I already have Spotify open and YouTube Music to see if this will work. Now the process is quite easy. Simply come to the URL I'm going to be leaving in the description and choose under select the source. Click on Spotify. Now two options here. You can load from Spotify account, or you can copy and paste the Spotify URL in this section. All you need to do is open your Spotify account and go to your playlist section. So you can right click on your playlist that you want to copy or transfer, and you see share. You see copy to playlist in this section, and then go back and paste the playlist URL in this section. Click on load from URL. Now you should see the playlist in this section as well as music within the playlist. Click on choose destination. You need to select YouTube Music in this section. Now if your account isn't already linked, you'll be taken through to give access to your YouTube Music account. Once you're done, your YouTube Music account will be linked and you'll be able to start transfer. Simply click on start transfer to start the transfer process. Once the transfer is completed, you can go to YouTube Music and under library, you can refresh on the page. Now you should now see the playlist which has been transferred to your YouTube Music account. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.